Hey guys, so giving you an update on the 914-6. Here with Jim. Jim's the main man. He puts metal together like this. Anyway, of many ways. Anyway, we won't go into that. He likes V's as well. But anyway, yes. So it's back, and we are going to run through the bits and pieces that we didn't know about and the bits and pieces we did know about. To be fair, it's actually very, very good. There's a few bits that we thought was going to come up, and they have done. But in all, it's pretty damn good.
What's the ways?
So I suppose, Pete, shall we start? Well, one thing we did know about Jim Bob was the jacking point, both sides.
Better one.
So yes, and Jim's been fabricating some new ones.
Plates made, ready to go. Like that.
There we are. Yeah, I feel like we're on a.
Yes.
I feel like we're on a. What's that sales show? Do you know, like a QVS or something? Oh, here's one we made earlier. Yeah. So anyway. Yeah. So anyway, that's going to go on there. We'll take the old one out. Blah blah blah. Yeah, and it'll just look sharp.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's that. Should we? Which way should we go? This way or that way?
We're gonna. Well.
Are you going to?
Deleting those, didn't we?
Oh yes, we're gonna get rid of the American indicators, bright orange. Flush them out, very nice. And then
front end's generally good, apart from this.
Yeah, we've got where the rubber seals go in. It has been repaired, but it's been repaired poorly. So we're just going to redo this, so it's clean and sharp. Yeah. Just like Jim's hair. Clean and sharp. God damn it. Yeah, so that nothing in the tub. Tub's actually very good.
Pretty good. The whole, for a early 70s car.
Yeah.
The whole underside's really nice.
Very good. There's not a lot of surprises. Again, same this side. Again, no real surprises. We're going to get rid of the indicator, the American indicator.
And the aerial.
And the aerial hole. There's some old lead work around the car, which is pretty good.
Quite a lot.
Is there quite a lot, is there?
There is, you'll see in a second.
Oh, okay. We'll see those bits. Seals are very good. I mean, there's like little holes, rust holes here and there that we'll just cut out and redo. The underside of the vehicle, which we'll get some roll later on when it's on the spit and spin it around. But yeah, obviously we knew this section down here, wasn't it, by the jacking point? Yeah, that's been repaired before. I mean, it's bad, so we're going to cut all that out and redo all that. But the actual floor pan is nice. And what are we going to do with this?
I'm going to have to cut this. I'll cut this out and put it back to steel.
Yeah, nice.
So they've got a plate behind here.
Okay, so we're just going to get rid of as much leather as possible. The boot pan is, as you can see, it's Swiss cheese. We like the Swiss cheese, man. I'm all.
The worst bits of the car, isn't it?
Yeah, so yeah, again, we'll just chop this out and replace it and just get it looking fresh. So yeah, so really, to summarise, Jim Bob, I'd say it's pretty damn good. And we can crack on now with all the metal work, all the gapping, get it perfect, and then we can start getting some colour onto it, and then we'll work with all the other components, all the suspension bits and the engine, the gearbox, and strip down and getting it all super fresh, but we'll keep you posted anyway what's going on. So yeah, we've got loads of cool projects going on, so if you like this one, check out the other ones as well online. So from me, Ollie at Goldie Garage, and Jim from Curzon Fabrication, we wish you a very pleasant day. Jim, do you want to pop your head up just so we can see you through there? Look, that's a nice look, isn't it? Beautiful.